Here we solve the exercise number 6. Question number is first, write the correct number in the blanks. आपल्याला इथे जे काही ब्लँक्स जागा दिलेले आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय करावं आहे करेक्ट नंबर लिहायला लावलेला आहे. तुम्ही सांगा आता 5/7 and 2/7 हे डायरेक्ट ऍड होतील का? यस सर, बिकॉज both the fraction are like fraction, that means denominator are same. Directly we add 5/7 plus 2/7 is 7/7. 5 plus 2 is a 7. Here denominator is a 7. The answer is a 1. 7 7 get 7 1s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. 1/1 means 1. Your answer is a 1. Okay. Next one, which number should be subtracted from 9/8? We get answer 1. So if we subtract 1/8 from 9/8, now check this. 9 here denominator 8 is the same. 9 minus 1 which is equal to 8, and here denominator is the 8. 8 8 get cancel. If we cancel the 8 8, we get answer 1. Okay, therefore the number should be a 1/8. Question number third, which number is added to the 6/7? The answer is a 12/7. So if we add here 6/7 again, then answer become a 12/7. In this way we easily find out the or fill up the blanks. Therefore the blanks is a 6/7. Okay, next one, fourth one, which number should be subtracted from 11/7? The answer is a 17/14. First observe here the denominator, which is a 14. Here denominator is a 7. First we convert this 11/7 into like fraction. That means if you take 11 multiply by 7/2, also 11/2, we get a 22/14. Tell me which number 22/14 is subtracted, get the answer is a 17/14, because 22/14 and 11/7 are the equivalent fraction. So easy. If we subtracted 5/14, yes, 5/14, the answer is a 17/14. That means here answer is a 5/14. Yes, how to calculate this? We first take the base as a 14, then we find out this number. Next one, which number should be subtracted? 16/5, we get a same fraction. We know that if we subtract a 0 from any number, we get a same number. Therefore answer is a 0. 11/5 minus 1. How can this solve, sir? Here does not occurs a denominator. Yes, 10/5 minus 1 we calculate directly as taken a denominator as a 5. Take as a denominator as a 5. How can take a denominator 5? If we multiply here denominator 1/5 and numerator is also 5, we get a number 10 minus 5, or 10 minus 5 is nothing but the 5, and here denominator is a 5, and 5/5 is nothing but the 1. Question number 2, solve 1/9 plus 2/9. Here the denominator of the 1/9 and the denominator of 2/9 is the same. Therefore here we directly add this fraction. 1 plus 2 is a 3. We get a 3/9. Okay. both are like fraction, we directly add the numerator. Now next one, 6 by 10 and 3 by 5. If we multiply 5 by 2 and 3 by 2, here denominator is a 10, 5 to the 10, 10 10 denominator is the same. Therefore, we first convert the 3 by 5 into a like fraction. 3 into 2, 5 into 2, which is equal to 6 by 10. Okay, the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Okay, now here 6 by 10 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 10. Therefore, here we write as a 6 by 10, which is equal to, if we add, denominator is a 10 same, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 by 10. Answer is a 12 by 10. Here we have to given a mixed fraction, 2 and 2 by 3 and 3 and 5 by 7. How to solve this? 2 and 2 by 3, which is equal to 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 divided by 3, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 3. Okay, 3 and 5 by 7, which is equal to 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 5 divided by 7, which is equal to 26 by 7. Now here we observe, here denominator 3 and here 7, that means both are the unlike fraction. First we convert it to the like fraction by taking the LCM of 3 and 7, which is equal to 21. Here multiplying this 8, 3 by 7 and 8 by 7, we get 24, 56 by 21. If you multiply 7 by 3, which is equal to 7 into 3 and 26 into 3, we get 7 3 are 21, and here we get 78, 78 by 21. In both the fraction, denominator is the same, that means converted into a like fraction. If we add both 56 by 21 plus 78 by 21, which is equal to denominator as a 21, 56 plus 78 is equal to, adding both the fractions, we get, let's add 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. Okay, 134 by 21 is the answer. Next one, 13 by 4 minus 9 by 4. We subtract the 9 by 4 from the 13 by 4. Okay, here denominator 4 4 is the same, that means we have to give one like fraction. Hence we direct subtract the numerator. 13 minus 9 is a 4, and here denominator is also 4. We cancel out 4 4. Our right answer is also 1. Okay, 5 by 4 minus 7 by 8. If you multiply here by 2 and 5 by 2, here 4 to the 8, 8 denominator is the same. Okay, 5 by 4 can be write as 5 into 2 and 4 into 2, which is equal to 10 by 8. Okay, and if we subtract 7 by 8 from 10 by 8, we get an answer 3 by 8. Okay, next one, we have also given one of the mixed fraction and its subtraction. Directly solve. 4 and half means 2 4 the 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2. Okay, 4 and a half means 9 by 2. Next one, 2 and half means 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, pi, pi by 2. Okay, here denominator 2, 2 is the same. Okay, therefore we subtracting 9 by 2 minus, yes, 5 by 2, which is equal to, here 2 denominator as it is, 9 minus pi is a 4, and 4 by 2 is nothing but the 2. Question number third, out of the 12th pass students of a junior college, 1 by 5th student joined Indian Army. 2 by 5th students took admission for professional education, and the remaining student took admission for the higher education elsewhere. How many students took admission for a higher education? Now, suppose that the total students become this whole part represent the total students. Okay. Now, if 1 by 5th parts, 1 by 5th parts, which is a number of students joined Indian Army. Okay. Next one, 2 by 5th students. Yes, 2 by 5th students, those which complete or which is admission for a professional education, admission for a professional education, P for professional education, and the remaining student took admission for higher education. Suppose that X number of students take a education in a take education for a higher education, and we ask how many students took admission for higher education. That means we find out the value of X. We know that this complete part is a 1. If you add 3, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus X, then the answer become a 1. If you add both, 1 plus 2 by 5 is a, sir, 3 by 5 plus X. What is the value of X? The answer become a 1. That means 5 by 5. Yes, sir, here if we take value is a 2 and here denominator is a 5, then the answer become a 2 by 5. That means 2 by 5 students which joined for a higher education. Okay. Now here we write given things, given that, which things are given? Given that 1/5 of the student, given that out of the 12th students 1/5 join Indian Army. Okay. Next one, 2/5 take admission for a professional education, took admission for a admission for for professional education, okay, and remaining student took admission for, and remaining how many students? Remaining X students take admission, yes, admission for higher education, yes, take a admission for a higher education. Okay. Now therefore the total students are is nothing but the 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, and here X, बघा इथे आपल्याला लिहिता येईल X students which are remaining students, and the sum of the all is nothing but the 1, that means complete student. 1 shows the total students. Okay, here the value of the x is a, now here value of x, which is equal to 3 by 2 by, sorry, 2 by 5. If you put here 2 by 5, 1 plus 2 is a 5, and 5 by 5 is a 1. That means we write here answer. Therefore, 2 by 5, 2 by 4, 5 took admission, took admission, took admission for higher education, for higher education. Yes, in this way complete the answer. Out of the open space in front of the school, 3 by 4th space was allocated for a football field, and 1 by 5th space for an indoor game. The remaining space was kept for the school garden. How much space was kept for the school garden? We have given that 3 by 4th space, yes, is allocated for फुटबॉल फील्ड. फुटबॉलच्या मैदानासाठी मात्र 3/4 जागा सोडलेली. नंतर न इंडोअर गेमसाठी 1/5 तेवढी मात्र काय केली, स्पेस सोडलेली, आणि रिमेनिंग स्पेस इज रिझर्व फॉर स्कूल गार्डन. ओके, then how much space kept for the school garden? Suppose that now open space in front of school is that total space. Out of these, 3/4 part of the space is allocated for football field. Next one, 1/5. Here 1/5 is a space is occupied for a, yes, this space is occupied for the indoor game. And if we suppose that for school garden x space is occupied, then what is the sum of these three? Yes, the sum of the three numbers 1/5 x is equal to 1. Yes, you can write this answer. Yes, here first we take a denominator same, that means we convert into a like fraction, then we subtract this value from the 1 and we get the answer of the value x. Okay, here we write given things is that given that space for football field is 3/4. Next one, space for indoor game is a 1/5. And suppose or let x space is a reserve for school garden. X space reserve or kept for x space kept for school garden. ओके, अशा पण स्कूल साठी एक्स एवढीच त्यांनी काय केली बरं, स्पेस ठेवलेली. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, add this 1/5 plus 3/4, or first we taken 3/4 plus 1/5 plus x is equal to 1. 1 is a total space, which is a open space. Here denominator of 4 and 5 are not same, therefore it does not add directly. First convert into the like fraction. If we multiply 4 by 5 and 5 by 4, the denominator become a 20. Okay, yes, 4 5s are 20, therefore 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20, yes, 1 4s are 4, okay, plus x is equal to 1. Matter is a 20, we add this number, therefore take taken this as a 20, 15 plus 4 is a 19 plus x is equal to 1. Here which number should be added in a x such that we get answer 1? Yes, x become a 1 by 20. Okay, 19 by 20 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of the x is equal to 1 by 20. Now our answer is that now the space kept for the school garden or space kept for school garden is 1 by 20 part of field of open space. Question number 5. Mother gave one Goa each to Ramesh, Sima, and their three friends. They divided each Goa into four equal parts. If each of them gave one part of their Goa to mother, what part of the Goa did mother get? बघा आपलं असं देऊन ठेवलंय की एका आईने काय केलं बरं, रमेश, सीमा आणि तिचे जे काही त्यांचे फ्रेंड्स होते, थ्री फ्रेंड्स, त्यांना एक एक पेरू दिला. ओके, आणि प्रत्येकाने मात्र रमेशने, सीमाने आणि थ्री फ्रेंड्सने काय केले बरं, एका पेरूचे मात्र चार चार भाग केले. दे डिवायडेड इनटू द फोर इक्वल पार्ट्स each. ओके, now and each of them give to one part. One part means 1 by 4, one part means 1 by 4 to the mother. आईला प्रत्येकाने किती दिला, त्यातला 1 by 4 एवढा मात्र पार्ट दिलेला आहे. ओके, आणि त्यांनी असं म्हटलंय लास्टला, व्हॉट पार्ट ऑफ द गोवा डिड मदर गेट. मग आईला मात्र एकूण किती पार्ट मात्र हे मिळालेत हे विचारलेलं आहे. ओके, मग आपल्याला सहज कळतंय. नाव हियर 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus how many times? 5 times. We get an answer 4 as the denominator same, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 times. Okay, sum is a 5 by 4. Yes, mother what part of did mother get? इथे म्हणूया mother get 5 by 4th part of a Goa. Okay, next one, 6 by 7 is a less than 9 by 11. Here 6 by 7 is a less than 9 by 11 because 6 is a less than 9. Is this correct? आपलं असं म्हटलंय 6 by 7 हा जो फ्रॅक्शन हा 9 by 11 पेक्षा लेस आहे का बरं? कशामुळे? इथे 6 हा लेस आहे 9 पेक्षा, त्यामुळे तो लेस आहे का? इज दिस करेक्ट? हे करेक्ट आहे किंवा नाही हे आपल्याला चेक करावं लागेल. सर डिनॉमिनेटर आपण मात्र सेम करून घ्या. व्हॉट इज द एलसीएम ऑफ 6, 7 and 11 is, yes sir, 7 and 11 चा LCM किती असतो? 77. Next one, 6 by 7 can be write as 7 into 11, 6 into 11. We get answer 66 by 77. Okay, here 9 by 11 also write as a 9 into 7, 11 into 7. Here 63 by 77. Out of both, we observe the numerator 66 and 63. 66 is greater than 63. Therefore, the fraction 66 upon 77 is greater than 63 upon 77. That means here, observe carefully, 66 and here 63. Here 66 by 77 means 6 by 7 is greater than 9 by 11. But if we have to given in a question, this 6 by 7 is less than 9 by 11. This is a false. Therefore, 6 by 7 is less than 9 by 11. That means 6 by 7 is greater than 9 by 11. Therefore, we write as 6 by 7. The given statement is wrong. Given statement is not correct. Okay, we easily can say we cannot directly observe the numerator. We first convert a given fraction into a like, then we compare the numerator. Question number 7. Write any two fraction whose sum is a 1. हे आता आपल्याला असे दोन फ्रॅक्शन घ्यायचे आहेत की ज्यांची सम किती आली पाहिजे बरं 1 आली पाहिजे. ओके, बघूया बरं. मग इथे जर आपण बघितलं की 1/2, यस 1/2 आणि त्याच्यामध्ये 1/2 ऍड केला तर आपल्याला काय होतं आन्सर 1. परत 1/4 आणि 3/4 जर आपण घेतला तर काय असतो परत 1 येत असतो. नंतर बघा एखादा नंबर असेल 5/6 आणि ते 1/6 जरी घेतला आपण तर त्याचा आन्सर सुद्धा काय असतं 1 येत असतो. असे आपण भरपूर काय घेऊ शकतो फ्रॅक्शन घेऊ शकतो ज्याचे सम किती असेल 1 असेल. मग चला बरं आपण घेऊया 1/2 1/2 1/2 and 1/2 means half and half is a 1, comma 5/6 1/6 and 1/6 which is also 1, 1/4 and 3/4 the sum is also 1 and so on. We have to ask only two fraction. ओके, या पद्धतीने आज आपण हा जो काही एक्सरसाइजचा पार्ट होता कंप्लीट केला. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर नक्कीच लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आणि हे जे काही आहेत फ्रॅक्शन वगैरे टाईप करण्यासाठी भरपूर वेळ जात असतो. तुमचा एक लाईकच आम्हाला मात्र सपोर्ट करत असतो, त्यामुळे लाईक करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.